Hello, good evening my dear students. Welcome back to my channel. I am Dr. Draryasdentalinsights. I am a prosthodontist and implantologist. I am hereby prepared a smart study plan for the NEET MDS aspirants in the year 2025 in 1 month. Okay, so let's dive into it. So we have only 1 month and we have to prepare in a smart way rather than the hard way. Okay. So, NEET MDS, it is a competitive exam with 240 MCQs in 3 hours and it requires a smart and strategic approach for the effective preparation. And also this plan which focus on very high yield topics, MCQs and the mock test. So going by last year's trend, it is estimated that NEET MDS 2025 will be held in the third week of March 2025. And the application form will be released in the first week of February 2025. So, an official notification is awaited on this. So, what is the difference between hard work and the smart work? Hard work which centers on the effort and persistence, while smart work focuses on the efficiency, strategy and achieving optimal results with the less effort. So, combining these two, which can lead to a well-rounded and effective work approach. So, the combination of hard work and the smart work which emerges as the winning formula for career success. While hard work reflects the dedication, smart work amplifies the efficiency and strategic thinking. So, what is the strategic planning? Actually, it involves longer or long-term goals. Okay. So, we have to create a step-by-step plan to achieve them. And the breakdown of these larger goals into smaller and manageable tasks in a smart way. What is SMART? It is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time-bound goals. So, we have many long-term goals, but we have to break down it into smaller, manageable task, and we have to set a smart approach, that is specific, measurable, achievable, relevant and time bound goals. Okay. So, first and foremost, you have to know your syllabus and the exam pattern thoroughly. So, coming to the syllabus, according to the NEET site, NEET MDS syllabus, it is here the question paper is divided into two parts. First one is the part A and second one is the part B. So, in part A there are 7 subjects, okay, and almost the weightage is same, but for general medicine and general surgery only one question is more than other subjects, okay. So, in part A we have 100 questions and in part B there are 10 subjects. The weightage is same, that is 14 each for all subjects, and here 140 questions are there. So, total of 140 plus 100, that is 240 questions in 3 hours. That is the exam pattern. So, the examination mode will be online and the medium of examination in English only. The duration of examination is 3 hours and it is objective type. Then the total number of questions is 240 and 1/4 negative marking for incorrect answer. So, if you are not sure, then you are not attempting to answer it. Okay. So, according to this syllabus, make an effective timetable and plan your preparation on time. Okay. So, we have 17 subjects. When we take 2 days for each subject, then we will complete the syllabus in 34 days. So, that is according to me. Okay. So, since the weightage is almost similar for all the subjects, you have to give priority for all subjects equally. That is, I meant for clinical as well as non-clinical subjects. So, you have to give equal priority for those clinical and non-clinical subjects. So, for 17 subjects, if you take 2 days, then we will complete the syllabus in 34 days. Okay. So, according to this, I have made a timetable. So, 1 mark will give you a rank high or low, and so it's very important to study all subjects equally. Okay. So, in the first day, you should read the synopsis, questions, answers, and the explanations given, and in whichever book you read, stick on it. Don't go for other books. Okay, and don't focus on the theory in detail. So let's know the concepts regarding it, and while revising the explanations, you get. Okay, so you read synopsis, questions, answers, and its explanations. Whichever book you read, stick on it. Okay, and the revision is the key for success. So revise as many times as possible. If it's Dental Pulse or Neelaj Vadvan, or like the or Dentist or by Gauri Shankar, whichever book. Okay, so you read, stick on it. And in second day, try to solve as many questions and answers. So maximum questions. If you can, you try to solve as much 200 questions daily for getting speed and accuracy for crack the exam. So try to solve as many questions as possible for getting high speed and high accuracy. Okay. And also the revision is the key for success. So revise, revise, revise. It is the important key to success. Okay. So coming to some of the tips, you have to finish previous 10-year question papers with correct answers, and try to solve at least 100 MCQs daily if possible, 200 MCQs daily. Then revision of most important notes, because while preparing or while reading the book, you have to prepare some sticky notes or some notes, some important notes which handwritten on the books. Okay, so that notes should be revised. Okay, so revision of most important notes is very important. Daily mock test. If you attempt a mock test daily, then when you reach the exam hall, then it will be another mock test. So you will be very calm, and you can boost your confidence also while writing the mock exams. Okay. Then MCQ books you already read and learned, I have already taught. Then the anxiety management by doing some yoga or exercise or some meditations like that. Then get enough sleep also during these days. Okay, 6 to 7 hours of sound sleep. Then a balanced diet including more proteins rather than the carbohydrates. So it will give you more stamina or more energy for study more. Okay. And make a habit of preparing short notes while reading MCQ books. So it will help you to revise on the previous day before the exam. Okay. Then make some mnemonics, tables, charts and sticky notes. So mnemonics are very, very useful. Okay. So for memorizing some answers, you have some mnemonics that will definitely memorize it. Okay. Then attempt online test every day and grand test every 2 days. And already said, revision is the key to success. So, for smart work, we have to yield some high yield topics. Okay, we have to select some high yield topics, that is focus on some focus on all the subjects, that's clinical as well as non-clinical subjects. So then these are the various high yield topics for prosto, endo, then oral surgery, ortho, perio, pathology, and oral pathology is very, very important. Okay. Then oral radiology, mostly image based or radiographically based questions are there. Then most of the questions are scenario based, because you have to understand the concepts clearly. Okay, that is the main thing. So oral, pedo, then community, GM, then surgery. So these are the other high yield topics: OMFS, ortho, perio, patho, then radio, then community. So the mock test and focused revision is must. Okay. So review the mistakes and revisit the weak areas, and the revise the mnemonics or flowcharts or tables you have already prepared, and speed up the MCQs practice, that is number 100 to 200 and 200 to 250, as many as possible you can. Then after this month, okay, you have only 1 or 2 weeks left. So focus only on that on revision, not on new topics. And past year questions, last 5 years are a must in the last days. Okay. Then formula sheets and mnemonics for quick recall. Then grand test every 2 days to build stamina, maintain good sleep and mental health. Then last 3 days strategy. So revise the mistakes and flashcards. And there is no mock test, just light MCQs. Focus on revision notes only, and get 7 to 8 hours of sleep before the exam day. And for smart study, these are the pro tips. Prioritize on high yield topics. Past year questions and grand test are key. Then speed and accuracy is important. Stay confident and calm. 1 month is short, but a smart strategy can help you ace NEET MDS. Consistency, practice and revision, which will give you definitely success. So all the best, dear NEET MDS aspirants. In the coming videos, I will share some most important questions and answers which may come for your examinations. So let's see soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for next video.